Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the part of input, process and output. That is chapter number 3, stepwise thinking. We have to see the practical session of input, process and output. Okay, so these three methods depends on the operating system. Okay, so now let's see how it execute the input process, output process and even processing. Okay, so first we will see, for example, we are opening one folder. Okay, so here I have just right click on that folder through the mouse. Okay, so because of this, if you click right click option of the mouse, that is called as a input. That means you are giving input through the mouse. Okay, when you click open command, the folder is open. That means you have given input of open command through the mouse to the operating system. Okay, this is called as an input process. Now this folder is open. This is called as a output. Okay, so once again I repeat, I have given input through the mouse. I have right click on the folder. I have just pressed a single click on that folder and you can see that folder is open. Okay, that means opening command is processed by the operating system. इसको बोलते हैं opening जो है उसका process हो गया. ठीक है, अभी ये process हमें how can you check out this process? So you can check out this process. Let's see one example. Through the images, we can see example. Now you can see we have taken one example through the images. Here we have taken example of one milk. We are just making a juice. For example, an electrical kettle is filled with water. We have filled the water, then kettle is plugged into the electrical socket. So here we plug the socket. Okay, we will create some milkshake. Okay, and we will add some water, sugar, and then some milk. And you can see after giving the heat. Okay, so giving heat is a process. Okay, providing an electricity is called as an input. Okay, so here you have given input of electricity to the mixer. Okay, and that is why electricity flows through that mixer, and that mixer will be on. After you on that mixer, then you have to add some milk, water, sugar, etc. So adding these water, sugar and providing heat is called as a process. Heat देने के बाद milk, sugar इनका process हो जाएगा. So this is called as a process. Okay, and after this process, after providing heat as a process, okay, what you will get? You will get a T. Okay, so T is a output. Okay, so you have to serve this tea. You have to, if you want add some extra milk, you can add extra sugar. that is additional output. Okay, so this way, first you have to give electricity and input, then you have to give heat as a process so that tea will be boiled, and after boiling that tea, you will get a complete tea, and that complete tea you have to pour into cup. Okay, so serving tea is the output. Okay, so this is the best example, and practically we have one example again. Okay, if I want to start some application, so I have clicked on the start applications. So this is also called as an input process because I am giving input through the mouse. This single click is nothing but input. Okay, I have clicked on Google Chrome. This is also input. And when I click, you can see one blue circle is processing. You can see, please kindly observe this blue circle. This is called as a processing circle. This blue circle indicate that this is processing. Your browser application is processing. And when this browser application is open, this Google web server is open. So this is called as a output. Okay. Again, I will repeat. Okay. So this is called as a input. I have clicked on that. I am giving a input of single click and double click through the mouse. And when I double click, you can see one blue circle is moving. Okay. This blue circle, when this blue circle is moving around the screen, that means your command is processing. Okay. And when you double click on that media, you can see this blue circle is moving. This blue circle is called as a processing. And when this media player is open, then it is called as a, please observe the blue circle. This moving blue circle is called as a processing. That means operating system is processing your media player. And now media player is open. This is called as a output. So in this way, operating system work on input, then process, and then output. Thank you very much.